Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Notion to manage your book club. Notion is a fantastic tool that makes managing your book club a breeze, and I'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. First things first, you'll want to create a new page in Notion for your book club. This is going to be your central hub where you gather all the information related to your book club. Here's why this matters. Having a dedicated space for your book club helps keep everything organized and easy to find. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating sections within your page. These can include things like a reading schedule, book list, and member list. The reason we do this is to ensure that every important detail about your book club is captured and easily accessible. Next up is adding content to each section. Start by listing out the books you're planning to read, complete with author names and publication dates. Then, develop a reading schedule that outlines when each book should be started and finished. Lastly, add a member list that includes each person's contact information and reading preferences. This step is crucial because it provides the framework for your book club and ensures everyone is on the same page. The next thing you'll want to do is to start using Notion's reminder functionality. You can set reminders for when to start each book and for meeting dates. This helps us because it ensures that no important dates slip through the cracks. Now let's add a discussion area. This can be a simple table where members can add their thoughts and questions about the current book. Let me explain why this matters. Having a dedicated discussion area encourages active participation and fosters a sense of community within your book club. Lastly, don't forget to share your Notion page with your book club members. Notion makes it easy to share pages with others, ensuring everyone in your book club has access to the latest information. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you share your Notion page, your members can edit and add to it, making it a truly collaborative space. And that's about it. With these simple steps, you can use Notion to manage your book club efficiently and effectively. Remember, the key here is to keep everything organized and ensure that all members are on the same page. Thank you for watching, and happy reading.